Miss Chisholm's gonna give it a try. Oh my gosh, this is such a great angle. There goes Miss Chisholm shaking the bees.
There you go.
That was a good one.
Yep, that's perfect. Really good shape.
Amazing. Look at them go.
So like we're surrounded in bees right now, like
This is
totally
beautiful.
surrounded. But they don't have a care in the world about you right now. They're worried about getting in with their queen and starting hives. Now once they have a hive established,
It'll be
then
different.
that'll be different. You know, you really have to move slow.
So what do I do at this point? Should I know how you cropped it last time? Is that where I'm
Yeah.
cropping or?
So here's I'm gonna just do like a little
Oh, there's a lot in
tab.
here.
Yeah, there's a
Whoa.
whole bunch
Whoa.
still in there. You can feel a whole ball of them.
Yeah.
Um,
Oh my goodness, yeah.
so you kind of, if you shake a little this way, and you shake a little this way, they kind of ball up together, so you get like a big clump of them all at once.
How are you feeling about how these look, Miss Machuson?
These look beautiful as well. I also love how calm they are. So I'm going to set this up right here. And the rest of them can walk on up.